as he's on his tippy toes. Oh, you can do it. Very clever. Not going to make it all the way around. And we're off. Taking our boxes off. Now we're going to head down to the BMW Hat Yai dealership. We have to set off back up to Koh Tao tomorrow. So, fingers crossed, BMW can work their magic. So I've had this bike maybe about 4 months now. So I bought it up in Bangkok. I've taken it from Bangkok down to Champon, so that's a good 6-7 hour drive. I've also taken it down to Malaysia once for a trip down there. So I've done a couple of long trips on it. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, them charge for your battery already, but then say can change better. Wow. If you order with my shop, you can come again.
Can you deliver some to? Okay.
Give me your address.
Yeah.
My address.
Yeah.
He doesn't have a house. He lives on the beach. He lives on the beach.
I only have hammock.
Yeah. Well, you know, we've just done a really good service, checked everything on it. One thing I've got to say is it's looking beautiful and clean again. I'm not sure the cleaning's worth $7 grand. I think we'll have a relaxing night tonight because tomorrow we're going to take a nice scenic route through the national park all the way up to Surat Thani, get the night boat and then home again. And now starts the long journey home. First stop the mountains. Now I've got some speed going up, going at about 120 kilometers an hour. I've got this new screen, so not just this new screen, but this will add on the top as well. Because I'm 6'4", and the stock screen, it was okay, but you know, I was getting blasted in the face by wind. So I stuck the screen on, which is about 4 inches bigger than the stock one, plus this one on top as well, and now it's, you know, night and day. It's a lot more pleasurable riding now. The one downside with this screen is, as you can see, it's really narrow. The other one came out about here, so I do feel the wind on my shoulders now when I didn't before, but it's an easy trade-off for me. You know, would I rather get hit in the shoulders with wind or hit my face? And for me, it's an easy one. Huge advantages of living in Thailand, apart from obviously the fact I live on a paradise island, is when we do want to bring the motorbikes, these bikes, to the mainland. These are the kind of roads we've got, you know, winding its way through this epic scenery everywhere. Really nice good road conditions, goodish, and yeah, we definitely feel very fortunate to be living where we live. So we've got the last stretch now into Surat Thani, and we're going to head towards our favourite little bar out there, well, bar/restaurant called Day and Night. Yours might be a while, and it might not even come at all.
I'll just get a pizza base with nothing on it.
Because they've got no toppings.
Here's some bread.
Very tasty. Made a special keto colour, or whatever. Really tasty, but it's just definitely not an end of biking meal. It's kind of just missing the man portion. I've got like the Happy Meal version. Right, what's next? Round 2, braised pork. Super soft, super tender, really tasty in the soy sauce. That's good. I was going to get dessert. This is better than any dessert. Well, that's 2 meals down at Day and Night. Absolutely delicious. Really, really good place. And now we've got the 15-minute drive to a night boat pier.